Okay, so for any of you who have the key fob and you want to relearn it for a Saturn view, this is for 08 or 09. You got these buttons down here. You push the second one here and it changes the options. So you keep pushing it until you see relearn remote. Push the check. Now learning is activated. Now you push both lock and unlock and hold it for about 10 seconds. You hear that button or that click? Now you do it for all of them. You hear it again. And just pushing the lock and unlock at the same time for about 10 seconds. And then I'll try them. Bam! There's that one. That one. And the original one. And that's how you do that. It's a program.